Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am doing a cat collection update. It has been a while. I think I had like 55 or 56 last time I recorded, and this time I have 66, and I just thought it was time to update how many I had. So I went ahead and I brought them all out in my living room and I organized them up. Now it's gonna be hard counting them because they're all bunched together, but I'll try my best. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh my god, there's too many. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 55, 46, 47, 48, 49. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, and see, I probably counted it all wrong. There is 66 here. It's hard counting them when they're all bunched together like this. I haven't bought cats in a while. It's been months since I bought a new cat. My aunt thinks she thinks I have too many cats, but you know what? You can never have enough cats. I had them scattered all around my apartment. I took them down for this video, so now I'm gonna have to put them back. Yay, what fun. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. And comment down below if you love cats. Bye.